Tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Trump Coin on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, just go to the bottom where it says Explore, press on that, then go to the top, press on Search, and then type in Trump right here. So at the top, official Trump is what you're looking for. Go ahead and press on that. Once you're here, go to the bottom and press on Buy Trump. Then you can type in the amount of Trump coin you're looking to buy. So if you wanted to buy $20 worth, you'll type in 20. To proceed, go to the right, press on the purple button. Now you can see the amount of Trump coin you're buying, the price, the Kraken fee, and the total. And if all looks good, you want to proceed with the transaction. Go to the bottom, press on confirm, and then go that way with it. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Trump on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.